Now open your textbook, page number 14. Here we have chapter revision. Whatever you learn in this chapter, you are going to answer all this. Here we have A bit and B bit. I have written A bit and B bit on the board. First we will do all the answers in the textbook. Here the blanks are given. You will fill all the answers in the textbook. Then we will copy it in the notebook neatly. First you should write it in your textbook. Then from your textbook, see and copy it in your classwork neatly. Come on, first one. A bit we will do first. Fill in the blanks with the help of the following words. Here we should fill all these blanks using few words. 4 words are given here. Using these 4 words, we should fill these blanks. Read out the first one. O-N, on. Second one is U-N-D-E-R, under. Third one is N-E-A-R, near. And fourth one is F-A-R, far. Come on, read first one. The apples are kept dash the table. Here you can see the table. Which fruit is there on the table? Yes, apples are there. Where are the apples? The apples are on the table. Where are the apples kept? The apples are kept on the table. So, in the first dash we will write O-N, on. Now we will go to the second one. Reena stays dash my house. You can see here 3 houses. First one, second one and third one. This is my house. Second one is Reena's house and third is Peter's house. Now, who is next to my house? Near my house? Yes, Reena's house is near and Peter's house is far. To go to Peter's house, we should move to Reena's house first. Then we should go to Peter's house. So, who is near my house? Who is close to my house? Near Reena's house is Reena stays dash to my house. Reena stays near my house. Yes or no? Peter stays far. Reena stays near. So, in the second dash, write N-E-A-R, near. Now go to the third one. Peter's house is dash from my house. This is Peter's house. This is my house. So, where Peter is staying? He is staying far from my house. To go to Peter's house, first we should move to Reena's house, then to Peter's house. So Peter's house is long. You can see the distance here. My house to Reena's house, short distance. My house to Peter's house is long distance. So Peter's house is far or near? Peter's house is far from my house. So Peter's house is dash from my house. Peter's house is F-A-R, far from my house. Fourth one, the ball is lying dash the table. You can see a table here. Under the table, what is there? Ball. Where is the table ball now? The ball is under the table. The ball is not on the table. The ball is under the table. So write it here. The ball is lying under. U-N-D-E-R, under. Yes, is it clear, children? Okay, now we will read out this. Fill in the blanks. The apples are kept on the table. Say, repeat first one. The apples are kept on the table. Second one. Reena stays near my house. Reena stays near my house. Peter's house is far from my house. Where is Peter's house? Peter's house is far from my house. The ball is lying under the table. Where is the ball? The ball is under the table. Now move to the second bit. B bit. Page number 14. B. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. Can you say me what these children are doing in the picture? Yes, they are sliding. What they are doing? They are playing on a slide. You can see 5 children playing on the slide. First one, Kriti, Aman, Ali, Fiza and Ari. 5 children are playing on the slide. You can see Kriti sliding down. Aman, what Aman is doing is climbing up. Ali, Fiza and Ari, they are standing in a line. Now, using these words like UP up, DOW and down, BEFORE before, AFTER after and BETWEEN between. Using these 5 words, we will fill these snacks. Aman is climbing dash the step. Where is Aman? Yes, he is Aman. What Aman is doing? He is climbing up the steps. He is climbing or coming down? We will climb down the steps. So here Aman is climbing up the steps to play on this slide. So Aman is climbing up the. So write Aman is climbing UP up the steps. Second you have Kriti is sliding dash the slide. You can see Kriti, what Kriti is doing. She is coming down the slide. She is sliding down. Kriti is sliding down. So write Kriti is sliding DOWN down. Move to third one. Harry is standing dash Fiza. Where is Harry? Harry is at last. So Fiza is in between. Ali is in front first. So Harry is standing after Fiza. Yes or no? Fiza is standing first. Then after Fiza only Ali is standing. So Ali is standing after Fiza. Fiza is standing. Ali is standing. Ali is standing before Fiza. Harry is standing after Fiza. Harry, where Harry is standing? Harry is standing after Fiza. Ali is standing before Fiza. Yes, here Ali is in front. Ali is standing before. Harry is standing after. So Harry is standing after Fiza. So write it here. AFTER, after. Then Ali is standing before Fiza. Here Ali is standing in front. So before. So write BEFORE, before. Then fifth one. Fiza is standing between Harry and Ali. Here Harry and Ali. Who is standing in between? Yes, Fiza is standing in between Ali and Harry. So Fiza is standing in between. BETWEEN, between Harry and Ali. Now once again we will read all this. Aman is climbing up the steps. Read out the first one along with me. Aman is climbing up the steps. Second one, Kriti is standing down. Kriti is sliding. She is sliding down the slide. Third one, Harry is standing after Fiza. Where is Harry standing? After Fiza. Ali is standing before Fiza. Where Ali is standing? He is standing before. Before means in front. After means next. Fiza is standing between Harry and Ali. Where is Fiza standing? She is in between Harry and Ali. This all you should write in your textbook neatly, children. Then copy it in your classwork. Once again read. The apples are kept on the table. The apples are kept on the table. Reena stays near my house. Peter's house is far from my house. Fourth one, the ball is lying under the table. Where is the ball? The ball is under the table. Aman is climbing up the steps. Kriti is sliding down the slide. Harry is standing after Fiza. Ali is standing before Fiza. Fiza is standing in between Harry and Ali. This all you try to read, children. Spell and read each and every sentence. Learn to read all these sentences. If you are not able to read, take your parents' help and read it. Copy these two bits in your notebook very neatly. Copy these two bits in your notebook very neatly. After once when you come back to school, I am going to check all your notes. So write it very neatly in one paper. In one paper you write A bit. In second paper you write B bit. Is it clear, children? First copy it neatly in your textbook. Then from your textbook you copy it in your notebook. This is your today's work. Copy A bit and B bit in your classwork. Now homework part, children. Classwork. You should maintain Sakshi column in your classwork. So today's Sakshi's classwork. What we have done in classwork? Chapter 1, page number 9 to 14. Chapter 1, page number 9 to 14 we have completed in our class today. Chapter 1, 9 to 14 we have completed. 9 to 14 page numbers we have completed in our textbook. Now what is your homework? Draw few comparing objects in your notebook. I have showed you already children on the board, like comparing object, top, bottom, tall, short, this all I have drawn on the board. In the same way, any 5 comparisons you can draw it in your notebook. Draw few comparing objects in your notebook. Like comparing objects means tall, short. Any 2 items you draw, one is tall and one is short. And here, on and under, above, below, tall, short, top, bottom, left and right, near and far, big and small. Draw 2 things which is big and one more which is small. And before, after and between, long and short. In this you can draw any 5 objects. Compare. Your homework will be draw few comparing objects in your notebook. Draw it very neatly and color these objects neatly, children. So today's your work will be, your classwork will be these 2 objects. You should copy it neatly in your classwork, and your homework will be draw few comparing objects. Is it clear, children? Okay, bye children. Take care. Have a nice day.